In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view or restore document version history in Microsoft Word in 1 minute. Microsoft Word has a powerful autosave feature that keeps multiple versions of your documents as you work, which is especially helpful if you forget to save manually. With version history, you can easily recover previous or unsaved versions of your document, ensuring that no work is lost and giving you the ability to revert changes whenever necessary. To start, open Microsoft Word and click on the File tab at the top of the window. From the drop-down menu, select Options to open the Word Options dialog box. Here, go to the Save section on the left panel. Make sure that the checkbox labeled Save Auto Recover Information is selected. This ensures Word automatically saves your work at regular intervals. Also, check the box labeled Keep the last auto-recovered version if I close without saving. This is particularly useful if Word closes unexpectedly or if you accidentally close a document without saving. You can also adjust the auto-recover interval by setting the number of minutes between each automatic save. Additionally, choose a location on your computer to store auto-recover files, such as your desktop, for easy access. Once all settings are configured, click OK to confirm and close the Word Options window. Now let's see how to restore a previous unsaved version. If you have been working on a document for a long time and need to recover an earlier version, click the File tab again, then select Info from the menu. On the right side of the Info panel, look for the Manage Document section. Click the drop-down menu under Manage Document and select Recover Unsaved Documents. A File Explorer window will open, showing all available auto-recovered files saved in your chosen location. Select the file you want to recover, for example an ASD format file, and click Open. The document will open in Word exactly as it was at the time of the last autosave. You can then review the content and save it properly to continue working. This process ensures that your progress is never lost and that you can safely access previous versions whenever needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.